So the chapter number 11 is the proposal. We had started this chapter yesterday, and in this chapter we had read about a Russian wedding कि Russian weddings कैसी होती हैं. So do you think Indian and Russian weddings have any customs in common? So according to you, after the reading of these two pages, do you think that there is any custom which is in common with Indian custom in Russia? With the help of a partner, fill in the table below. So in column A, you need to write the customs which are similar to Indian weddings, and in column B, you will write the customs which are different from Indian ones. So now let us start reading the proposal, originally titled A Marriage Proposal. ये मैरिज प्रपोजल है इज अ वन एक्ट प्ले अ फार्स बाय द रशियन शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटर एंड ड्रामेटिस्ट Anton Chekhov. It was written in 1888-89. The play is about the tendency of wealthy families to seek ties with other wealthy families. प्ले किस चीज के बारे में है? टेंडेंसी है वेल्दी फैमिलीज. वेल्दी मीन्स जो पैसे वाले लोग हैं वो कोशिश करते हैं कि जो शादी हो वो पैसे वाले घर में ही हो, मीन्स इक्वल स्टेटस की मैरिज होनी चाहिए. To increase their estates by encouraging marriages that make good economic sense. Ivan Lomov, a long-time wealthy neighbor of Stepan Chubukov, also wealthy. Ivan and Stepan are equally wealthy, come to seek the hand of Chubukov's 25-year-old daughter. जो इवान लोमोव है वो चुबुकोव की 25-year-old डॉटर का हाथ मांगने आता है फॉर मैरिज. नताल्या इज द नेम ऑफ द डॉटर. ऑल थ्री आर पर्सम पीपल. तीनों जो शादी के लिए प्रपोजल लेके आता है वो, जिसके घर में प्रपोजल आता है वो, और जिस लड़की की शादी होनी है. ऑल द three are पर्सम पीपल एंड दे quarrel over petty issues. The proposal is in danger of being forgotten amidst all this quarreling, but economic good sense ensures that the proposal is made after all, although the quarreling perhaps continues. So the character are Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov. He is a landowner. Second is Natalia Stepanovna. She is the daughter of Stepan Chubukov and the age is 25 years old. And the third is Ivan Vasilyevich Lomov. He is the neighbor of Chubukov, a large and hearty but suspicious landowner. मतलब जो मेन मेल्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने बच्चों की शादी करनी है, both are equally landlords. A drawing room in Chubukov's house, Lomov enters, wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. Chubukov क्या बोलता है? My dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilyevich. Chubukov कहता है मेरे सामने कौन बैठा है? Are you Ivan? I am extremely glad. I am extremely glad means I am very happy. Squeezes his hand. Now this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? Chubukov पूछता है कि तुम कैसे हो? Lomov, thank you, and how may you be getting on? Then Lomov says thank you and tell how are you? Chubukov says we just get along somehow, my angel, thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down, please do. Sit down now. You know, you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors, my darling. So you need not forget about your neighbors, my darling. My dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves and so on. Can you be doing anywhere, my treasure? Lomov, no, I have come only to see you, honored Stepan Stepanovich. लोमोव कहता है नहीं, मेरे पास कोई खास काम नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ तुम्हें मिलने आया था. चुबुकोव सेज देन व्हाई आर यू इन इवनिंग ड्रेस? अगर मिलने आए थे तो आपने इवनिंग स्पेशल ड्रेस क्यों डाली है? माई प्रीशियस, माई डियर, एज इफ यू आर पेइंग अ न्यू ईयर्स ईव विजिट And Chubukov says to Lomov that you are so nicely dressed up as you are come to me with a New Year present. Lomov, well, you see, it's like this, takes his arm. फिर लोमोव उसका हाथ अपने हाथ में लेके बोलता है, I have come to you, honored Stephen, to trouble you with a request. लोमोव says that I have come to you with a request. मेरे पास एक रिक्वेस्ट है तुम्हारे लिए. Not once or twice have I already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I must ask your pardon. I am getting excited. And Lomov says that earlier also, once or twice, I have come to you to ask for your help, and you have never denied. मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प मांगने आया हूँ और तुमने कभी मुझे ना नहीं दी है. And I must ask your pardon means now also I am requesting you. I am getting excited. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water. Honored Stephen Stepanovich. मैं कुछ पानी पीना चाहता हूँ. Chubukov aside. He has come to borrow money. Shan't give him any allowed. What is it, my beauty? फिर चुबुकोव बोलता है कि ये पैसे लेने ही आया होगा, लेकिन मैं इसको कुछ भी नहीं देने वाला हूँ. What is it? फिर वो जोर से बोलता है, ये क्या है? My beauty. Lomov, you see, honored Stephen. I beg pardon, Stephen. I mean, I am awfully excited, as you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me. Lomov चुबुकोव को बोलता है कि इस टाइम पे मैं जो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ अपने बात रखने के लिए, और एक तुम ही हो जो मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो. Though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. बाकी लोमोव कहता है कि मेरा ऐसा कोई हक नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हें किसी बात में असिस्ट कर सकूं. चुबुकोव, oh, don't go round and round it, darling, spit it out. Well, फिर चुबुकोव बोलता है कि ज्यादा बातें मत बनाओ. स्पिट इट आउट मतलब जो बातें बनाने वाली आदत है उसको थूको. Lomov, one moment, this very minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stepanovna, in marriage. So Lomov says that I have come to you for the marriage of your daughter with my son, with the proposal of the marriage of your daughter with my son. मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि तुम अपनी बेटी की मैरिज मेरे बेटे के साथ करो. चुबुकोव जॉयली. चुबुकोव फिर खुशी से, By Jove, Ivan, say it again. I didn't hear it all. चुबुकोव कहता है फिर से बोलना, मैंने अच्छे से नहीं सुना. Lomov, I have the honor to ask. Chubukov interrupting, my dear fellow, I am so glad, and so on. Yes, indeed, and all that sort of thing. Embraces and kisses Lomov. I have been hoping for it for a long time. मैं लंबे समय से इस चीज की उम्मीद कर रहा था. It's been my continual desire. Sheds a tear. ये मेरी लंबे समय से इच्छा थी. It has been my continual desire. Sheds a tear. फिर एक आंसू बहाता है. And I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. May God give you both His help and His love, and so on, and so much hope. What am I behaving in this idiotic way for? I am off my balance with joy, absolutely off my balance. Oh, with all my soul I'll go and call Natasha and all that. Chubukov says that, okay, I am very happy, I'll go and call Natasha. Lomov, greatly moved, honored Stepan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her and consent? Chubukov, why, of course, my darling, and as if she won't consent. So Chubukov says that, yes, I want her consent. She is in love, a cat. She is like a lovesick cat, and so on. Shan't be long. लोमोव सेज इट्स कोल्ड, आई एम ट्रेम्बलिंग ऑल ओवर। लोमोव कहता है कि बहुत ठंड है और मैं कांप रहा हूं। जस्ट एज इफ आई हैड गॉट एन एग्जामिनेशन बिफोर मी, मेरे को तो ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे कि मेरा कोई एग्जाम हो रहा था। द ग्रेट थिंग इज आई मस्ट हैव माई माइंड मेड अप इफ आई गिव माई सेल्फ टाइम टू थिंक, टू हेजिटेट, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for real love, then I'll never get married. So लोमोव क्या कहता है कि अगर मेरे को सोचने के लिए टाइम होता, हेजिटेट करने के लिए, टू बहुत ज्यादा बातें बनाने के लिए, for real love, then I will never get married, तो मेरी कभी शादी नहीं हुई होती. It's cold. So from the next page we'll continue tomorrow. Till then, bye. Have a nice day ahead.